the time for the $500 trading tips. And if you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give us a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here. We are starting with GainX 1200. Okay. So I'm on 15-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. So if you are having, kindly tag along and let's see what we have for us here. So this actually sold right from this resistance zone and you can see it getting to this support base. Okay, so it has gotten here, it has not been able to break out from there. So it has been playing around there for a while, trying to see if it will break out or switch into an uptrend. Okay, so if it switch into an uptrend, I believe right here we should have a good entry point at this point. That is if it's switching to an uptrend. Okay, so and of course let's have some TPs highlighted for us. Okay, so right here, first TP, second TP around here, then the third TP can be here. Then we can have the fourth TP somewhere here. Fourth TP should be enough for this particular trade. Okay, so that is if it does not break out from this support zone and if it has switched into an uptrend. But if it breaks out from the support zone, it will keep on selling. Okay, so we should take note of that. So we expect more buying opportunity from there. That is if it does not break out from the support region. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999 and of course this has been on a very strong downtrend. Just where we have seen it, it has been on a very strong downtrend and right now it has gotten to this support zone. Okay, we don't know if it's going to break out from there or not. However, it has been playing around here for a while and it's switching to an uptrend at this point. Okay, so this would have been a good trading opportunity for us if it goes fully into an uptrend since we have missed the trend at the beginning. So let's see for a possible way of entering into the trade. Okay, so it is even better that this actually happened right here so that we can know how we can reanalyze the asset and see how we can jump into the trade. Okay, so personally I will prefer you come in after the breakout from here or probably when there is a pullback. Okay, if there is a pullback, we are most likely to have a pullback till it get to this region before going back up. If that happens, that can also be another good entry point for us. Okay, now let's set our stop loss for this. Okay, in this situation I'm going to set my stop loss at this point for this and right here we have some TPs which we can achieve. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this and this also so that we will not be confused. Okay, so we have some highlighted TPs for ourselves here. Okay, sorry, I want to readjust this. Okay, so right here we have some highlighted TPs for ourselves. Okay, so TP 1, 2, 3, 4. That is if it does not break out below the support zone, and that means the entry point will be activated or triggered at that particular point. Okay, so we still expect more buying opportunity from there. So next asset is going to be 1,200. Paynex 1,200. Let's check it out together. So this is Paynex 1,200 and of course this has been on uptrend for a while, got to the resistance zone and had this sell, went back up and it is at the resistance zone again. So we don't know if it's going to break out from there this time around. If it breaks out from there, then definitely it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will go back fully on downtrend. Okay, and we should take note of that. So we need to be sure if it's going to break out from the resistance zone. If it breaks out from the resistance zone, it will only continue with the trend. But if it does not, it will switch back into a downtrend. Actually, this is actually giving us double tops, but because it has been on a very strong uptrend, so anything can still happen. It can still break out from this particular trend. Okay, but if it does not, it will switch into a downtrend and we expect it to sell. Okay, at least it should get to this region when it sells. And if it breaks out from here, it should get here. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, then we have free zones to milk right here. Okay, so this is very, very important. This is still buying at the moment, but if it's going to sell if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so we should have that at the back of our mind. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999, still on 15-minute time frame. This actually got to the support zone at this region. Okay, that is after breaking out from here. From here, guys, it broke out from here and it came back to this support region at this point. Okay, so it switched into an uptrend right from here, and of course you can see it buying and it got to this region. Okay, so after getting here, it was unable to go further because right here is a little resistance zone, so it switched back into a downtrend and it is selling at the moment. This might be a major pullback. Okay, so if it breaks out from here, then definitely it will want to target this region. Okay, but if it does not, then it will pick up and start buying right from there. And as you can see, that's what happened right now. Okay, so it is buying at the moment. Okay, but for now it is still more of a selling opportunity until the pullback is over. Okay, that is when it will go fully into an uptrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still selling at the moment until the pullback is over. So the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and of course, just the way we are seeing this has been on a very strong uptrend right from here. Entry points, our stop loss, and it has been buying like that. Okay, this particular trade has been going on like this for more than a week, and we've been on it like that. Okay, so this has actually got into this resistance zone. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will switch back into a downtrend. So for now, it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perform your trading skill, to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.